Yo, hey everybody. So this is just a quick little video on a common mistake I see on tubeless tires, tubeless setups. So in case of this, and I'm not sure if you already saw it, obviously the tape's peeling back, but if you look closely you can see that the original, I don't know if that's cloth or whatever type of material, it's a non-adhesive material that you would typically find on a wheel that's maybe tubeless ready, but it's set up with just clincher with tubes and stuff. So anyway, whoever this person basically just taped right over the tape there. That's what you would normally see, and so it's a common question. I hear it a lot, see it on forums, and have people ask at the shop. And then the guy that did it, he actually held on the front tire, but we went ahead and he's having trouble keeping, basically the thing just kept losing air was the problem. So you could see once I got that kind of pulled away, you could see all that residue is basically just the sealant that had leaked up underneath that tape. If there's no kind of adhesive, the air and the sealant will it'll find its way under there and then push out through the spoke holes there. So basically I like to, I was holding that roll of tape up above the rim. That's kind of how I'll choose the correct width. Is I'll get one that's about the same width as the overall rim, maybe slightly a millimeter or so wider. But as you can see here, once you get it in there, I got the rim all cleaned up and it's going all the way side to side. That gives you the best chance of success as far as having that tire sitting on top of the tape, and gives you a good seal. So anyway, hopefully if you made this mistake, you found the video helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching.